Hi, my name is Uttara Pote. I am a parent of Dhruv Pote. My son is studying right now in 3rd standard. We have been associated with the school from nursery, and the real appreciation point of the school is the way the teachers are handling the students. My son is loving the school and he doesn't want to take a holiday any day. So I just tried to find out what is the reason behind it, and found out that the way the coordination goes on, the food quality, children are loving the food, the activities, the interaction with the teachers are doing with the students, and they are feeling like family in the school. So right from the day when we admitted our kid in this school, we were like, our parents were very much skeptical about like full day school, how the child is going to manage, and so much hours of the school. But the children are like, they don't find the school is like so many hours and like a day school. So that is the very first point which we think that working parents, it's a boon for the working parents, because children are in safe hands, children are happy, children are eating well, and what else a parent wants. The second thing is academically, we are very satisfied, as in the studies are going easily. They are believing into the experiential learning, which the children don't find it as a burden of the the things which are going on, like money. They are teaching money through interactive sessions. Children are buyers, children are sellers, children are dealing with the money. They are giving some these things, and all these things are small things which play a very important role in children's learning basically, and that is what I find is very interesting. This is only one example which I gave, which we recently saw, but all the things are through experiential learning. The school is conducting various workshops on some different, that is Chandrayaan, and currency workshop was there recently, which he gained so much of knowledge. My kid is a very introvert child. I was very much worried about him from initial days. He used to not talk with, like unlike other kids, he used to not interact with people very soon. But this school has been working on him so well, not only with him but all the students, that my child has gained a lot of confidence through the extracurricular activities, like the culminating activity, which is a superb idea which the school is giving. Because of that, we parents, we know that how the school, what is the portion going on, what are things children are learning. They are learning through culminating activities. Then there are extracurricular activities like drama, karate, there are Sanskrit, Spanish. So you don't have a need after the school hours, because the school hours are quite big. So after the school hours, we hardly get time to enroll to any classes and everything. But everything is you are getting under one roof, and that is such a boon for the parents, because we need to every time go and pick up our child, drop our child for certain classes. That all things have been stopped, and he's getting all the knowledge from here itself. The gatherings are superior. Like this year, the gathering was like, oh my God, awesome. But because of that, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life was so much, embedded inside the child's mind, that no need to go for any other storybooks or nothing. Every character my child knows about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's life. Every character he knows.